Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So this is just another big red flag for Blockdag. This is their Blockdag technical white paper, and I've just magnified the text so you can see it a bit easier. So part two, I won't highlight it because it makes it harder to read. So governing law and jurisdiction. Any action related will be governed and interpreted by the laws of the Seychelles and shall, in the case of any legal action, be subject to the exclusive jurisdiction of the Seychelles, and you waive any objection to this jurisdiction and venue. So in other words, you've got to go to the Seychelles, which is a really tiny place, a really tiny island, basically, which is part of Africa to do anything, which is totally ridiculous. Arbitration. You and the issuer of the BDAG token agree that any and all disputes arising out of or in connection with the BDAG token will be resolved exclusively by means of individual arbitration. You and the issuer of the BDAG token agree that such disputes will be settled in accordance with the Centre for Effective Dispute Resolution, cedr, model mediation procedures, and a mediator shall be nominated by the cedr. You and the issuer of the BDAG token are waiving your rights to normal recourse to the courts of law. So, in other words, you can't go to a proper court of law to thrash it out. You've got to go to this kangaroo court, basically. Or not even a court, okay. Part 4, no class action. You and the issuer of the BDAG token agree that any claims brought against each other will be brought in their own individual capacity and not as a member of a class or claimant of claimants in any legal action. It's just ridiculous. You can't put this in you can put it in terms and conditions, but I mean this wouldn't hold any water in my opinion. If you wanted to take someone to court, then you can take them to court. And it doesn't matter whether what it says in the terms and conditions. It's kind of like saying if you put something in terms and conditions saying that I can murder you or something like that, or something ridiculous if I want to, and then because you signed it, you've agreed to these terms and conditions, and therefore I can do that. Well, obviously that is utterly ridiculous because, if you break the law, you're breaking the law, okay? And people can go to court and thrash it out if they want to, if they've got the money to do so. So it's just another ridiculous red flag for Blockdag, in my opinion. The Something that just whoever wrote all this, it's just a load of nonsense, in my opinion. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think.